project we are doing DNA and drug interaction studies. So DNA and drug interactions are the studies in which we study how the drug binds with the DNA. So the reason we are studying it is important to understand how drug binds to the DNA so that we understand how it affects the various cellular processes of DNA like transcription, translation and replication. So our project is about spectroscopic studies and molecular docking investigation of the binding interactions of the Evans blue dye and Kauf-Thymus DNA. In this study, we perform molecular docking of 20 drugs which are available in Mahima ma'am's lab, and we got that the Evans blue has the highest binding affinity of minus 8.9. So we perform Evans blue docking with IBNA, that is B-DNA dodecamer, that is downloaded from the RCP PDB. So through molecular docking studies, we found out that Evans blue has the best binding affinity with DNA, which is minus 8.9 kilocalorie per mole. So now we perform the spectroscopic techniques between the Kauf-Thymus DNA and the Evans blue. Now, why we chose Kauf-Thymus DNA was because the structure of Kauf-Thymus DNA is very similar to the human DNA, and the main idea is to create the physiological conditions that are present inside the body while doing the experiment. So all the experiments were performed at the pH of 7.4, which is the pH inside the body. So in the UV visible studies, we performed the interaction between Kauf-Thymus DNA and Evans blue. So in one titration, we keep the concentration of Kauf-Thymus DNA to be constant, and we gradually increase. With every titration, we increase the concentration of Evans blue and see how the absorbance of the Evans blue is affected by increasing the concentration. Now, as we found out, as we increase the concentration of Evans blue, we found out that its absorbance is getting increased. So we could conclude from this that there is some kind of interaction happening. Now the Evans blue is opening the DNA, but we still don't know what kind of interaction is occurring. To understand that, we performed the circular dichroism study. So in CD spectra, we saw the interaction between Evans blue and Kauf-Thymus DNA. So as you can see, this is the graph of the ctDNA alone, and as we add the Evans blue, the structure is, we can see an increase in the peak. This means there are some structural changes. Now an increase in the positive peak is observed as 264 nanometer, which is in turn, as when we research through different papers, it is because of intercalation between Kauf-Thymus DNA and Evans blue dye. And in the negative peak decreases and eventually becomes positive from negative, which signifies that DNA has been damaged. So we can conclude that, so what we are concluding is that this might happen. We have to perform even more spectroscopic studies to confirm our results, that Evans blue dye first intercalates with DNA and then eventually damages them. Now this application can be used in killing the tumor cells. We plan to continue working on our project, and we plan to do cell culture studies to validate whatever results we got from our spectroscopic techniques. Thank you.